Hello and oh, excuse me. Hello and welcome to this little short YouTube video. So happy to have you here. If you don't know me, my name is Tanya and I am the founder of yogabytanya.com. So today's video, we are going to talk about the number one secret to staying consistent to yoga, to your practice, showing up for you, which is a part of our yoga practice, right? Self-care practice. It's a journey to the self, through the self. And so my number one, how I stay consistent is I schedule it like an appointment and I prioritize it. So I have it scheduled. This is the day, this is the time, this is when it happens. My second tip for you is to pay some sort of fee for your yoga, whether it's at a studio, a gym membership, an online class offering, just some sort of skin in the game, and you will be more willing to show up because, hey, I put my hard-earned money into this thing, and I'm definitely going to be more willing to show up. It's going to hold me or you perhaps more to accountability. Another thing is to help you with staying consistent is habit stacking. So you link this activity to an established habit or something in your life that you're already committed and doing. So maybe before bed, you do a few little stretches and then you go to sleep. Maybe when you wake up, you light a candle, you do a short little meditation. Just some sort of habit stacking, something that you're already doing that you just kind of link this practice to. So another thing you can do is create a space. So if you already have your mat laid out, like I do, it can just eliminate some friction, some motivation. Like, oh, my mat's not out. I have to get my mat. I have to go do this. I have to do these extra steps to get my space set up. But if your space is already set up, that will be very helpful to you. And finally, this is really important. It's to drop the all or nothing mindset to yoga. So you are planning to have this full hour, hour and a half practice, I don't know, 2, 3 times a week. But it's hard, right? Especially at home. That's going to be really hard to maintain. So just even little short practices, 5, 10, 15, 20-minute practices that you maintain regularly, it's going to be much more helpful than a big practice that you are unable to be consistent with. That's going to create a lot of frustration in your life. So I highly recommend dropping the all or nothing mindset and just create little short wins in your yoga practice. So I hope this video was helpful. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, please, and like this video. And I will chat with you soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day.